Good night, tutor. Best regard. I share with you my resume and professional training. My name is Claudia Patricia Tibaduiza. I am student psychology. Personal skills. I am responsible friend and educate person. I can feel empathy of the others, and I have the ability to work in a team I lead. I have a management of Microsoft programs, a, knowledge I sales and business administrations. Work experience. Sales assistant, 3 years. Um, Account assistant, 2 years. Head of human resource, also SAS, 2 years. 2 years. Education. Graduate from Colegio Divino Niño. I am psychology student and 7 semester course. I have a system technical. I have a course in business administration. Leader, leadership. Uh, I am a competitive person. I am a person how adapts to work in environment. I am a dedicated, orderly person, and I full complete with your urge of functions. I have skills in both verbal and writing communication. I really like to learn, update, and improve my knowledge. Objectives. Through my knowledge and skill to be able to perform the assigned functions well. Acquire knowledge in different fields that allow me to perform in any other job. Graduate work and work as a professional in psychology. Reference personals. Carmen Elisa Tibaduiza, administrative assistant. Jimmy Alexander Riaño, international negotiator. Goodbye.